Islam alaikum. Welcome to Ismaili history. Shiite will explain in detail about religion. Must watch the video to the end. What is Shiite religion? The word Shia has come once in the Quran, which means group. But the word Sunni is not written in Quran. Two major Muslims are found, one Sunni Islam, the other Shia Islam, will be told in the same video of the Shia Islam. There is a problem after the departure of two groups of Shia Islam and Sunni Islam. The Ummah was divided into sections. Shia Islam follows Hazrat Ali, and Sunni Islam follows the Sunnah and Hadith. Abu Bakr considers Usman the first caliph, while the Shia Islam believes in the Imam and the caliphate of Hazrat Ali. Because in Hadith Ghadir Kam, the Prophet himself had announced the caliphate and Imam of Hazrat Ali by gathering hundreds of millions of companions and pilgrims. Before this, Gabriel, peace be upon him, also called surah preaching. After this coming, Hazrat Ali's Khilafah was announced. This came to the imamat and caliphate of Hazrat Ali. Countless hadith of the Quran and many hadith that speaks the face of the caliphate and imamat of Hazrat Ali. If no one believes in these verses and hadith, then he is excluded from Islam. Because this hadith should also be written in the authentic books of Sunni Islam. Now let's talk on imamat and on the sects of Shia Islam, because in the case of Khilafah and imamat, Shia have become numerous caravels in Islam, but all of them are based on imams, but without the imam of the time, man dies of ignorance. He is aware of Shia Islam, but Ismaili sect, the lead of all Shia sects, has been suspended for many years. Because the continuation of Ismaili imamat is running from Hazrat Ali till today. Imam Ali is considered to be the first imam, then there is a slight difference between Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein, says Ismaili. Imam Hassan, peace be upon him, did not become imam. Imam Hassan, peace be upon him, was Imam Mustakar, who Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, while his second Imami Shari'i Imam, peace be upon him, all believes in Imam Zain Bakr. Imam Jafar also believes in Siddiq, peace be upon him. But after that, the difference of imamat started in two sons of Imam Ismaili, who believes in elder son Ismail, while Imam Musa Kazim is called Imam al-Ashri. The continuation of Imam Musa Kazim's imams lasted for a few years, and then the imamat was suspended. In this, the Ummah should think why Imam was suspended. But the Ismaili imamat has been issued from the same city till today. Let the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, until the person of Islam is strong. After Imam Jafar Siddiq, the Ismaili imams continued and all went on. After Imam Mustansar, peace be upon him, then two branches were suspended. Imam Ali Mustansar. Ismailis are also called Nizari Ismaili Imam Nizar, as, to the generation of imams continue to lead, then Ismaili 46th Imam Hassan, peace be upon him, when he came to Iran, Shah Iran Badshah Shah Char gave the title of Aga Khan, after which another name was increased in the name of Nizari Ismaili Aga Khani, which is also remembered by many great names of Ismaili. Those who are literate, who are the poet, who are the researchers, who are historians, also believe in Ismaili Imam, also known that the status of the Ismaili Imamat Jews direct Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, and the city of Ismaili Imams from Hazrat Ali is from Hazrat Muhammad. Wait for the next video. If the video is good, subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so that the new video reaches you. Thanks for watching.